Hello, traders. I want to go over today's reversal patterns. The very first one of the day, we opened, we tried to fill the gap, we didn't quite make it. And then we started pushing up and up and up, and we made an all time high. This was the previous all time high, pre market high. We make an all time high, that makes the high of the opening range. And then we put up a reversal pattern. The final push up here, let me get this bigger. The final push up here ended up being a bearish order block. So I put my breaker line right there. The first push down, you could have entered right here at 95. It's often that we return to the round number, so you could have put your order right there at the breaker. Stop would go above the order block, and that ended up working out real well. The first push down would have got you here. We went back up and we touched the breaker. You could have gotten out here and re-entered in this fair value gap here for another push down to these lows. We ultimately made it to the pre-market low at 11:30, and we put up a beautiful reversal pattern here. Breaker, candle bodies start closing above, fair value gap, another one, respected. We get in there and we aim for these relative equal highs would be low hanging fruit. High of the day would be the ideal situation. But that would have produced a nice little. For triple witching, I was expecting craziness. And we didn't get it. We had a really nice week of movement. That's 72 points right there. If you got in on this second really nice reversal pattern of the day, there was only two really good ones. If you got in here, a tick above that red candle's low, that would have put you in at 746. And you aim for up there, you got 72 points. That's $144 on one micro. 1400, 420 on a mini. Not a bad day. And this one, even just aiming for the lowest hanging fruit here, that would have produced 50 points. If you waited for the touch of the breaker and got back in here, I think entering right there at the breaker at any of these would have been fine. I don't know if you'd want to hold all the way to this when that first push down came all the way back up to it, but definitely after seeing that, entering at this fair value gap, I mean, that is a touch to the tick of the breaker. And then just aiming for this low right here, that's 50 points. So you got 50 there, 70 there. Man, even on 5 micros, you were making bank today. So it was a good day. Nice reversal patterns. Went to the key levels of the pre-market low, came up, took out the opening range high, and then just consolidated the remainder of the day. We did finally push up right at the end of the day, kind of a continuation. I don't know if you could even take a trade off of that because no lows were really taken here. Only thing you could say is we bounced off of this initial bearish breaker and respected it to the upside. But I don't know. I think after those two trades, I would have been done. I really like the way these bearish order blocks can definitely be used as your breaker. Here we went back above it for a minute, but look right here. That is a to the tick touch. When you see that and it pulls away with a fair value gap, that is a no-brainer trade. You've got to get in and hold it to the nearest swing low at least. It may fall completely out of bed, but we just went right down here to the low of the opening range. We took it out, pulled back up, put up a double top, and went to the pre-market low. Very clear aim point if you're going long there. But this was such a rapid move. Why not hold it? Maybe take off half your position there and see if we can get to the high. It was quick. It was really a quick move. So those are the two reversal patterns of today going into the weekend. Absolutely beautiful reversal patterns. We're seeing these day after day after day. I hope you're gaining confidence in them. I hope you're making money with them. Remember to be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. I love each and every one of you. Until next time, y'all trade well.